Time in Mandarin Chinese.
How do we say, what time is it in Chinese? Let's review numbers in Chinese.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12。
Please note, when it comes to time, we say
2
to mean two. Next, place this word after the number.
点
It means point, a clock. Now, let's combine them.
1点、2点、3点、4点、5点、6点、7点、8点、9点、10点、11点、12点。
What time should we meet tomorrow?
明天下午2点见。
First, we state the date, then the time of day. Morning,
早上、
afternoon,
下午、
night,
晚上。
followed by the exact hour. And finally, the action.
明天下午2点见。好了，下课。